Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. My name is Paul, and with my partner Kedar, we are Inward Space, where we are helping retailers build strategy through analytics. The notion that brick and mortar retail is under challenge from online is not new, but everybody loves going to stores, and they still enjoy going to stores. In order to remain competitive relative to online, stores have to be absolutely laser focused on their mapping their operations to customer experience. But experimentation in this space is really burdensome and really expensive. Edge AI and 5G are absolutely going to transform how we build retail intelligence, but it's essentially deep tech that is very, very difficult to develop in-house, and there are real concerns about customer privacy. At Inward Space, we are helping retailers fine-tune their analytics using Edge AI solutions that reveal the hidden, latent insight that is naturally available in body language as customers interact and go through the customer experience in store. And we're doing this in a way that is asset-light and privacy-preserving. Here's a quick look at how it works. So as soon as a customer enters the store, a small form edge device starts building intelligence. It does this by focusing on the customer, but also by building context without necessarily having to know anything about the product or anything about the store setting. Part of how we do this is algorithmic, and especially for store scale. But the real intelligence here is a set of motif validation schemes that we have developed over 3 years of experimentation in the lab with real people, all day, every day for 3 years. And these motifs allow us to develop a set of synthetic profiles that we can map to shopper experience, that we can map to product interactions, whether that's interactions with branding and merchandising, interactions with the shelf, or interactions with the store lighting, or whatever it may be. Now these motifs, these indices, sit directly on the video feed on the device, which means that we can build this understanding dynamically in real time as it unfolds in the experience. And then we can stream it and deploy it directly to KPIs. And what I'm showing you here is as light as it gets. This is a video feed from a cell phone. But we're also ready to use other modalities, in particular LiDAR and RGB plus depth cameras. So essentially what we're doing for the customer is we are reducing a deep tech technology solution to a set of actionable KPIs that help retailers streamline their operations. We can streamline these operations at store scale, we can do it at shelf scale, and we can even go down to shopper scale. We can also go back up so we can plug and play with their enterprise operations. Sitting on the edge offers us tremendous advantages. First and foremost, it's very, very cost effective. And second, it allows us to be really, really, really serious about privacy. These motifs essentially sit on the device as a small containerized layer. They're isolated to the device, and the only thing that comes out is an anonymized graph. We can additionally, on deployment, add further protocols for security and privacy. And so we're positioned for the retail analytics space, but we're also ready for adjacent markets, particularly in crowd analytics and pedestrian analytics for autonomous vehicles. These markets are huge, and they are growing rapidly. And we've strategically put ourselves right in the middle of 4 of the pillars of this business landscape so that we can be nimble relative to these 4 corners, but also so that we can service one, several, or possibly all of these partnerships. Our revenue stream comes from 4 main offerings ordered here by the amount of effort involved for our team, from straightforwardly selling subscriptions to our data, selling dashboard access to our KPIs, servicing middleware container solutions, through to developing products with Tier 1 partners. We're asset light and we're team light, so there's 2 of us. Me, I'm a professor of computer science and engineering at NYU, and Kedar, who's a graduate student in the Tandon School of Engineering. I've been working in federally funded R&D for about 15 years. We have an early entry advantage to Edge AI, And although we are two engineers with a business plan, we also have a lot of substantive experience in retail. Between the two of us, 11 years, me working in store and Kedar working in online analytics. We're currently negotiating to roll this out with 2 mom and pop stores and 1 brand, but right now we're looking for enterprise retail and technology partners that can help us take this to the next level and build it at scale. You can find us at inwardspace.com, or please, on your way out, stop by and visit us at our demo. Thank you so very much.